Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In the aftermath of Trump's election victory in the US last week, the commentariat have been busy trying to make sense of what's happened. And one of the most interesting and I think persuasive arguments explaining why so many people switched to voting for Trump is that even though the US economy is actually doing very well, the country has been experiencing, like lots of places around the world, post-COVID inflation because of all the money that the state needed to spend to keep the country afloat during COVID. There's been a subsequent spike in inflation, and inflation has been quite high, well, by US standards anyway. And as a result, I think people have started to feel maybe that they were a little bit better off under Trump last time he was in power. Basically, people switched their allegiances. They changed to voting for him because they were feeling the pinch. If you say you're feeling the pinch, you basically mean that you're badly affected by recent economic or financial difficulties. So, if the economy starts to falter and then to slip into recession, more and more families start feeling the pinch. Maybe in a family you might complain that you've been feeling the pinch since your wife was laid off from her job. Maybe you've had to take on a second job just to try and make ends meet. And in the UK here over recent years, as our last government cut back on spending on education, more and more schools started to feel the pinch and had to turn to parents or run fundraisers to try to make sure they had enough money to provide for their students. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use feeling the pinch.